Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, thank you for coming to this presentation. I am happy to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Niken Meiningrum, a student of Mathematics Education at Muhammadiyah University Prof. Dr. Hamka. On this occasion, I will presentation the logarithm materials to fulfill the task of teaching second mathematics in class 3A. Enjoy for watching.
Hello friends. At this time, I will discuss the logarithm material in the grade 10 high school mathematics subject, which we will discuss in the logarithm material among others, namely, first, the definition of logarithm. The second, the concept of logarithm, and the third, the properties of logarithm. For that, please feel free to prepare the notes, modules, and writing tools, and don't forget to watching this video until it's finished. Understanding logarithm or definition logarithm. Logarithm is an inverse operation or the inverse of a power. Next, basic logarithm concept. Example, 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. 2 equals 3 root of 8. After this, we will look for the number 3. There are no mathematical operation that can connect the number 3 in power of 2 and 8. So, the solution is we need a new mathematical operation to express 3 as the relationship of 2 and 8 of this power. So, that is called logarithm. Definition logarithm. If we have a rank a to the power of b equals c, a is the base or base number, b as the exponent, and c as a result. If we were the exponent into logarithm form as follows: a log c equals b. A to the base number, c as numerous, and b as a result logarithm. Will this needs to be a note because this is the case of the logarithm. Base term. A is greater than or cannot be negative. A not equals to 1. Numerous terms. C is greater than 0 or C must be positive. Example 1. Express the following form of power in logarithm. Here are 3 exponential questions, then we write them in logarithm form using the definition we have discussed. Number 1. 5 to the power of 2 equals 25. 5 as the base logarithm, 25 as the numerous, and 2 as the exponent. Then written in logarithm form, namely 5 log 25 equals 2. Number 2. 2 to the power of 5 equals 32. 2 as the base logarithm. 32 as the numerus and 5 as the exponent. Then written in logarithm form, namely 2 log 32 equals 5. And number 3, 7 to the power of 2 equals 49. 7 as the logarithm, 49 as the numerus, and 2 as the exponent. Then written in logarithm form, namely 7 log 49 equals 2. Example 2. Express the following logarithm form in rank. So, if in example 1 the power is changed into logarithm, then in example 2 it is the opposite. That is, the logarithm are converted into exponential form as follows. Number 1, 2 log 16 convert into logarithm form, namely 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. Number 2, 5 log 625 convert into logarithm form, namely 5 to the power of 4 equals 625. And number 3, 2 log square root of 2 convert into logarithm form, namely 2 1/2 equals square root of 2. Example 3. In example 3, we will look for the logarithm, namely number 1, 3 log 27 equals 3. Number 2, 6 log 36 equals 2. Number 3, 4 log 64 equals 3. Number 4, 5 log 125 equals 3. And number 5, 3 log 82 equals 4. Next, properties of logarithm. Logarithm properties. First, write a log a equals 1. Example, square root of 2019 log square root of 2019 equals 1. Because the base and numerus are the sum, the result is 1. Second, write a log 1 equals 0, regardless of the base, as long as it is not equals to 1 and positive. But when the numerus is 1, then the logarithm result must be 0. Example, square root of 2019 log 1 equals 0. Third, write A log B times C equals A log B plus A log C. So, when finding the logarithm of the numerals in the form of multiplication, it can be used as the sum of the logarithm with the sum base. Example, 2 log 32 equals 2 log 8 times 4. As above the multiplication numerals, then we convert it to logarithm summation, namely equals 2 log 8 plus 2 log 4. Fourth, write A log B divided by C equals A log B minus A log C. If in the third property it is continuous multiplication, now the numeric of the division, which must be converted into the logarithm of subtraction, and the base must be the same. Example, 3 log 18 minus 3 log 2 equals 3 log 18 divided by 2 equals 3 log 9 and equals 2. 5. Write A log B to the power of n equals n times A log B. When find a logarithm whose number is a rank, then the numbers can be used as a multiplier on the logarithm. Example, 2 log 32 equals 2 log 2 to the power of 5 equals 5 to log 2, which 1 to log 2, the result 1. So 5 times 1 equals 5. 6. Write A to the power of m log b to the power of n equals n divided by m times a log b. In the 5th write only the numerals is ranked, but in this 6th write the base and numerals are the same rank. Example, a 8 log 4 equals 2 to the power of 3 log 2 to the power of 3. 8 can be made into 2 to the power of 3, while 4 can be made into 2 to the power of 2 and 2 to the power of 3 log 2 to the power of 2. The numeric exponents are divided by the base power, so you have to be careful in this section not to reverse it. So 2 divided by 3 times 2 log 2 equals 2 divided by 3. 7th right. For log b equals 1 divided by b log a. Example, 8 log 2 equals 1 divided by 2 log 8 equals 1 divided 3. Eighth thread. A log b times b log c times c log d equals a log d. Example, 3 log 2 times 2 log 5 times 5 log 9 equals 3 log 9. Ninth right. A times A log B equals B. When the root to the power n base of the logarithm is the sum, then the result of the logarithm match the numerators. Example, 2020 times 2020 log 2019 equals 2019. And finally, 10th right. A log b divided A log c equals c log b. When the logarithm is divided with the sum logarithm and base, it can be seen from the lower logarithm to the top logarithm. Example, if 2 log 3 equals p and 3 log 5 equals q, the result of 5 log 12 equals solution. 5 log 12 equals 3 log 12 divided by 3 log 5. Based on the 10th attribute. Equals 3 log 3 times 4 divided by 3 log 5. Based on the third type. Equals 3 log 3 plus 3 log 2 to the power of 2 divided by 3 log 5 equals 1 plus 2 times 3 log 2 divided by q based on 7 attribute. Equals 1 plus 2 times 1 divided by p divided by q equals p plus 2 divided by pq. Problem example number 1. Result of 3 log 25 times 5 log 81 plus 4 log 2 divided by 3 log 36 minus 3 log 4 is. So, in this problem, we can use the following function: a to the power of m log b to the power of n equals n divided by m times a log b. Statement: 3 log 9 to the power of 2 times 5 log 9 to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power of 2 log 2 divided by 3 log 3 to the power of 2 equals 2 times 4 plus 1/2 divided by 2 equals 8 plus 1/2 divided by 2 equals 17 divided by 4.